Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this smoky eye and red lip makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. For eyeshadows today, I'm taking the Morphe 39A palette and I'm taking this shade here and applying it as my transition shade in the crease. So I'm making sure to drag this shade out to the side as well, just to like wing it out and make that nice like kind of elongated shape. So I'm just going to need to like hide behind this because it's so big. So I'm taking this shade here and I'm applying that also to the crease. And then I'm just blending that out with the transition shade again. So the next shade I'm taking is this one here and applying that also to the crease. So this is just going to like darken up the crease and give it that nice definition. And then just blending that in just to make sure there's no harsh lines. So this is like one of the looks that it looks better when you've like got your gold eyeshadow, the lashes and the liner on, because right now it looks like I've been like punched in the eye or something. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with the Maybelline concealer in the shade Light. I'm next taking this shade here and applying that over top. So the next product I'm using is by Kat Von D and it's the Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper. So now the winged eyeliner's on, I'm next taking the black shadow in the palette and using that just in the outer corner. And taking that crease brush again and just blending it in. So I just went ahead and applied some lashes on top, and these ones are from the brand called Huda Beauty and they're in the shape called Farah. So I'm next going to go ahead with this shade here and apply it along the lash line, then buffing it out with a pencil brush. Then just applying some black Waterline pencil, and this one is from Lancome. Then to finish the eyes off, I'm next taking the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Excess Mascara. I'm next taking the Topshop highlighter and I'm taking that on the brow bone and inner corner. So now that that's the eyes all done, all that's left to do is my lips, and I'm using the No. 7 Lip Precision Pencil and the Charlotte Tilbury Love Bite Kissing Lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!